Hello everyone, welcome to GHL Plugins. So today I'm going to be explaining to you how our changelog works. To begin with, changelog it's basically where when you get your workflow app, you're going to be seeing any new updates regarding that workflow app. For example, when you connect your various workflow app and you come to changelog, and you enable the notification here, any new updates regarding the app that you connected, it's going to be seen here. Now, I've not connected any app. That's why you cannot see any information regarding the app here. Here, you can search for the app depending on the number of apps that you want. For example, if you have 10 to 30 apps, you don't want to just go through them manually. You can just type here, and the information regarding that app is going to be visible here. Now, if you do not enable your notification, you will still see this, but you are not going to receive an email regarding that. If you turn off this notification, whenever you come to your GHL plugins platform and you come to your changelog, you are going to see the information regarding the workflow app here, but you're not going to receive an email. An email is just to make you to have a prior information regarding that. Okay, now you come to your high level account. What's amazing too about the changelog is that when you come to your high level account, you go to your marketplace. When you install, for example, an app, let's say send CML, this is just the name how I named it so that I should not forget. Now, when you do this, you come to the apps here after creating your custom menu link where we have well explained videos on how to do that as well. When you come, for example, to this is an app, let's say Access Medical App is the name of an app. When you click on it, what's amazing is that you're going to find every documentation regarding this app here. You can go to tutorials, you're going to have the tutorial video about that app, how to set it up, the change log. For example, if they change the API, if they change the logins, you can do everything here. Now, what's more amazing, you have the support. Here you can create a support ticket. For example, if there is anything you do not understand or you are facing any difficulty regarding any app, you can create a ticket. And not only a ticket, you can as well book a call, and we are going to be there 247 to make sure you have the best experience with us. Thank you very much.